In this lesson, you are going to be finding the volume of some cylinders with different dimensions. So there's three types of problems you might see, all of which you are going to be using the same process. So an example of a question you might see is when you're just listed two dimensions. The question says that the radius is 8 inches and the height is 14 inches, and you need to find the volume of the cylinder. This would be the same as if you are given a picture rather than the list. The radius would be right here halfway across the circle, and the height would be right here how tall the cylinder is. You may also be given a word problem, and it might be talking about how tall the cylinder is. That is referring to the height, and you would be given the radius in the word problem as well, which would be right here again halfway across the circle. So all those three types of questions, you are going to be following this same process. For each of the questions, you are going to be given that pi should be 3.14. So now that we have all the information that we need for this example, we are going to use the volume of a cylinder formula. The formula would be volume equals pi times r squared times h. R squared being the radius squared, and h being the height squared. Now we can plug in everything that we know. We know that pi is 3.14. We know that the radius is 8, so we have 8 squared for r squared, and we know that our height is 14. From here, we can plug this all in and multiply it all together to find our final volume. Be careful that 8 is the only thing that is squared here. So when we multiply this all together, we get a total volume of 2,813.44 inches cubed, because volume always has a label that is cubed, so inches cubed. So again, this would be the same process for if you're just given the list, just given a picture, or explained the height and radius in a word problem.